Alicia is in slight rush because she has to leave, so we're going to give her the mic, hand over the mic to her, and ask her how does she plan to take the girl from the kitchen to the ramp, and how she plans to train these lovely 31 ladies at Mrs. Bharat Icon 2070.
Thank you very much. Thank you, Mr. Akhil ji, कि आपने हमको इस चीज़ का हिस्सा बनाया. Thank you all the media for making your presence felt. Without you guys, this would not be possible. Archana ji, thank you very much. I've been on the other side, though I'm going to be soon on the other side again. I know how it feels to be Mrs. and still not fulfill certain of your dreams. And to give this opportunity is really great because somewhere down the line you feel कि जो इच्छा अधूरी रह गई वो पूरी हो जाएगी. And giving them hope is something will give me joy, and everybody who's connected, give them more joy. So thank you very much.
That's a wonderful, wonderful thought.
Thank you. It's truly a pleasure to have you with us at Mrs. Bharat Icon. I request you to take your seat, and I'm going to call you once again back again. Ladies and gentlemen, the designer who's very, very well renowned all across the globe. Every girl dreams to be in her designer outfits. And it's truly an honor to have the angel here with us. Yes, she's absolutely stunning and pretty. We have with us Miss Archana Kochar. You look absolutely lovely and stunning in white. And Archana, all across the world, you've been to New York Fashion Week, Paris Fashion Week, all across the world. You've not just trained these married women, women who don't have experience, but also of course, the professional models. So how do you think you're going to make these inexperienced women actually look beautiful and gorgeous like the supermodels?
First of all, a good afternoon to everyone here. Thank you, Mr. Akhil, for putting this whole thing together, and thank you, dear media, for being here. So it's going to be a pleasure to make these women fulfill their dreams. I think every girl likes appreciation. She likes, just because she's married doesn't mean that she can't be the princess, she can't be appreciated, she can't be on the ramp, she can't fulfill her dreams. So I think it's going to be so beautiful doing that for them. And the girls and the participants who are already with us are women of confidence, women of substance themselves. So they already look lovely, they have a lot of confidence in themselves, and enhancing it is going to be an absolute pleasure for us.
So beautiful. Thank you
Lovely.
so much.
Thanks.
Thank you, and I request you to be here with us. Archana, please can I request you to be here with us? Alicia, can I also request you to be here with us? Thank you very much. Everyone knows this gentleman, the very, very known social worker. जोरदार तालियां हम बजाएंगे. Mr. Anil Murarka जी के लिए सर आप प्लीज यहाँ पर आएंगे.
Dr. Anil Murarka, please.
Dr. Anil Murarka. And Sir Akhil Bansal, sir, can I request you to be here also with us? Thank you so much. This is just for the press to be very happy with the entire crew. I saw her. She's just next on the list.
Yes. Yeah.
Shibani Kashyap, ladies and gentlemen, please let us welcome Sajina Avija, the
Yes,
beautiful
please. Wonderful.
backdoor
Please come,
boys, the very sensational Shibani Kashyap. Only Jana is the only one. So, ladies and gentlemen, to help the contestants get that perfect body, we have with us the very renowned nutritionist, Denna Puniwala. A wholehearted pleasure. Thank you so much for being here with us. I'll very quickly hand over the mic to Anil ji first.
First and foremost, my friends, a very warm good afternoon to you all. काफी ठंडा हॉल otherwise. This gentleman standing next to me, trust me, सबसे ज़्यादा अगर कोई तकलीफ उठा रहा है इस शो के लिए वो है अखिल जी. एक मिनट ना. And the way he's taken it forward, and I'm looking forward in the years to come, it will reach further more. I don't know, मतलब trust me, probably in the Indian continent ऐसा कोई शो आगे होने वाला नहीं जो आज ये उठा के मुहिम लेके चल रहे हैं. Coming back to reality, what we talked about, the women of substance, you know. मैं ये मानता हूँ हर लड़की में, हर एक औरत में कुछ ना कुछ एक जज्बा है कुछ कर गुजरने का. उनको आप और मैं क्या ग्रूम करेंगे, वो खुद ग्रूम्ड हैं. It's just that, see, let's be honest, you know, don't take me wrong, you ladies out there. Shibani is a great singer, she's a great model, she's a great, you know, no words to express what all she's all about. A multitasker. अब आप हो तो उनको अगर बोलो कि ग्रूम करना है उनके लिए भी किसी को, कौन ग्रूम करेगा उनको? तो it's like every lady there is something or the other and they have got miles to go. तो आज ऐसा एक प्लेटफॉर्म जब अखिल जी ने क्रिएट किया है, इट विल टेक देम टू दोज लेवल्स जो उन्होंने कभी सोचा भी नहीं होगा. थैंक यू सो मच माय फ्रेंड्स.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, friends from the media. आप लोगों का इतना प्यार मिला हमें last year at Bharat Icon Awards, and this is something very spectacular. As Anil ji said, yes, he's put his heart and soul. और उन्हें यही चाहिए था कि पैनल पे हमें जो crew है वो सबसे best होना चाहिए इंडस्ट्री के, and that is the reason जब contestants हमें phone करते थे, same day, that's the 4th of June, we had the entire, all the cities, in fact, or more than 21 cities, we had auditions in the same day. और सभी लोग कहते थे, wow, we have Alicia Raut, wow, we have Archana Koch, are we going to be in that designer wear? We want to go and try out for this pageant. And that's how we're going to unveil the 31 finalists from all across the country. It's truly an honor. Hearty congratulations to you, sir, Mr. Akhil Bansal. And now, Shivani, can we please have a word from you?
You must.
Thank you. It's such an honor to be here, and I think everyone's done their meaningful words of wisdom. I think I'll just sing a little song which is dedicated to women, and not the songs that you've heard before of mine, but this is a song called I'm a Woman, I'm a Girl, This is My Story.
Amazing, Shivani.
Thank you.
Yeah, so we're going to have all the girls creating history for themselves and really making a story, and the entire credit. Rashmi Bedi. Can we please have Miss Rashmi Bedi, who's here all the way from States, from USA? Rashmi, can we please have you here? Mrs. Rashmi.
Wow, that's Mrs. USA right amongst us. Wonderful to have you
Ladies and
here.
gentlemen, wonderful. Absolutely an honor to have Mrs. USA along with us. Mrs. India, New Jersey. Oh, we love New Jersey. New Jersey rocks. Indians rock in New Jersey. Wow. It's absolutely awesome. Can we please have you here?
Excuse me.
Wow. Well, ladies and gentlemen, let us welcome the show
The
director.
Mover Shaker is here.
The very, very gorgeous and stunning Shubh Malhotra ji. Wholehearty welcome to you, ma'am. No, it's okay. Absolutely,
Nonetheless,
we
it's
understand.
great to have you here.
We were waiting for you, and yeah, for quite a bit. A humble request to Akhil Bansal sir and Anil Murarka ji to come in the center for the photo of the press will be happening. So before sir, in between Archana, between Alicia and Archana. We would want sir between Alicia and Archana. Yeah, or Shivani is also there. Both of them. It's just for the press. I want him to be in the center before I hand over the mic to him. Should please come.
I don't want this. Do you guys will take picture this also?
This will be
Ladies
Photoshop.
and
Don't
gentlemen,
Photoshop.
we now request the chairman and managing director of Royal Heritage Group, who's presenting Mrs. Bharat Icon 2017. But before that, Shubh is here, so we'll give her the mic. Shubh, such a pleasure having you here, and you are dot on time. It's time for you to speak a few words to everyone, please.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. And my apologies for being late. Generally, he knows that I'm always on time, but due to my
सारे स्टार ऐसे ही बोलते हैं.
as you can see my condition, I'm getting better each day. But anyway, thank you very much for being here. And this Bharat Icon is the icon and the most prestigious show of the year. And We have all the eminent dignitaries here with me. I'm very, very proud to say that I'm really blessed to have such a wonderful team to take this forward along with me. And I would definitely want all of you to also be with us and take this forward as every year. This is something that we are going to do every year. And this is the show called From the Kitchen to the Ramp. And we will be, with all the glitz, glamour, fashion. Archana Kochhar is here with us. And Alicia, where's Delna? Hi, all of you. So this is the wonderful team, and it's my honor, my pleasure to welcome all of them. And thank you for all your support. Sabse. You say na last but not the least. And I'm really grateful to Akhilji for taking this, my dream. This is the dream, helping me take it forward. And I'm really thankful and grateful to him. Thank you so much. Thank you, Akhilji. Thank you, Mr. Muraka. One phone call and he's always here. The philanthropist. His Langdi ko, they are all here to help me, Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for your kind words. Hardik, you want to say something?
Yes.
I'll wait for you.
I wanted to actually hear Akhilji's few words and thoughts on how he's making all this happen.
We'll do that, Hardik, but before that we have...
All right.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's an honor to have you here, Mrs. India, New Jersey.
She is not only Mrs. India, New Jersey, but she is a very, very dear friend also. And it's really an honor that she specially came for this for me.
Wow.
So this is called support. Here are the pillars. Thank you so much. And I'm really honored.
It's an honor for me, actually.
That's so nice. Before I hand over the mic to you, sir is pretty shy, so I always have to drag him because I've worked a lot with him. So, Akhil Bansal ji, आपसे हाथ जोड़कर विनती, आप please center में आ जाइए ना sir. आप star हैं sir, please. आप इतना मत शर्माइए sir. Thank you so much. आपका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया.
He is my star.
मेहरबानी sir. Thank you. Hi. Please, a few words from you.
Hi everyone, it's really an honor to be here, and thank you Akhilji and Shubhji. It's so much proud to see you're doing so much for women of India, and Bharat means India. You're presenting the best women of India. You're giving them the platform. It's amazing, and I know it's road to success is very hard to navigate, but with hard work, determination, and passion, every woman can make it true. That's what I think about it, and I'm really honored to be here, seeing all the great personalities here. I'm so happy to be here as a part of the team. It's amazing. Thank you all. Thank you, Shubham. Thank you, Bansuji.
Thank you so much.
Archana. And thank you all. Thank you.
Thank you so much. As strong as the name sounds, Mrs. Bharat Aiken is the strong gentleman here. Behind 31 beautiful ladies whose lives will change forever. Please, sir, a few words from you. Well, the most important thing, Delna, is how to make them super fit. And that is only by diet, because 70% diet and 30% workouts. So, Delna, how do you plan to make them and give them a good diet for 4 days and actually change them in such a way that they can all fit in the beautiful creations by Ms. Archana Kochhar?
Good evening, everyone. To start with, the journey has actually started a couple of weeks back, where all these individual participants have been in touch with me, and we've been giving them healthy diet tips on a daily basis, motivating them, and grooming them through this journey. And it is highly credible that in today's competitive world, where every person is a career-oriented person, a good amount of the day goes in their careers and their profession. These few ladies have wanted to take out a little time and groom themselves, make themselves into a better person. They've wanted to go from ordinary to extraordinary, and that is where Akhilji has created this platform where they can actually come out and show what they are. And yes, all of us have been helping them groom, and it's really been a lovely journey.
Wow. That's truly wonderful. We're going to see them in great sizes, I would say. I'm sorry to say that word, but then it's really important as far as beauty pageant is concerned. And Alicia, we truly look forward to, girls are truly waiting to learn from you how to actually walk the ramp and how to strike a pose. And right now, we request Akhil Bansalji to strike the pose
There
and
is no
speak a
escaping,
few
sir.
words.
नमस्कार सब लोगों को मेरा से धन्यवाद। ये मिसेस भारत आइकन हमें एक भारत आइकन अवार्ड किया था 2016 में नवंबर मंथ में। उससे प्रेरणा मिली कि हम लोग फर्दर एक ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म जो मैरिड वुमेन हैं उनको प्लेटफॉर्म ऐसा दें जो मिस होती हैं तब वो फर्दर काम नहीं कर पाती हैं और फर्दर कुछ अपनी ड्रीम पूरी नहीं कर पाती हैं। तो उसके लिए प्लेटफॉर्म के लिए हमने एक प्लेटफॉर्म रेडी किया और आज 1 जुलाई को सारा होटल में इसका ड्रीम पूरा करने जा रहे हैं। धन्यवाद।
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much, Hardik. What do you want to say about the 31 beautiful ladies? आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे कि उनके बदलाव में आपको क्या लगता है? You being a guy, being a gentleman, you're going to watch the
I
misses
will be
walking
enjoying
like miss.
with the beautiful women on stage. That's going to be amazing. But what I truly believe is this is an amazing platform to give the women an opportunity, and I truly believe that this is an innovative platform which I don't think I've ever come across. So hats off to you, sir, ma'am, and the entire team. Really,
Thank you so much. Thank you each and every one of you. Thank you to the entire crew of Mrs. Bharat Icon. And once again, thank you very much. He's the star of this evening. Ladies and gentlemen, we now open for the question and answer session. Please feel free to ask whatever questions you feel like. We have the legends here. Thank you. Any questions, friends? Friends from media, आप लोग सबसे important हैं हमारे लिए. So please give us the best. आप हैं तो हम हैं. Thank you.
A woman who takes care of herself also, and while she is doing that, she brings together a great family. She invests her time personally in bringing up her children, so that her children, who are the future of India, are true representatives of our nation, who is not only delegating all her work to others and just supervising, someone who applies herself along with her subordinates and puts together a great family with love, with care, with her personal attention. So we've got English Manners, which is an institute from UK. They are the institute which also take care of the grooming of the royal family. They are the ones who have partnered with us for our grooming program, and there are certain sessions of grooming that are going to be taking place during our 3 days of workshop. And there are certain modules that have been put together by them, which I have personally gone through, and we will be teaching that to all the contestants, and I think they're wonderful modules. They'll have a great time going through it.
अखिल जी, ये 31 प्रतियोगी जो आपने चुने हैं उनका जो है चयन प्रक्रिया का जो प्रोसेस क्या था, उस पर प्रकाश डालेंगे?
चयन का ये था कि करीब 15 प्लेसेस में हमने ऑडिशंस किए थे और ऑडिशंस में हमने लोगों का डिफरेंट ब्यूटी है, टैलेंट है, ब्रेन है, सबको पूरे का ओवरऑल मार्क्स बना के सिलेक्शन किया हम लोग।
Thank you very much. And sir, just to mention, ये सिर्फ इंडिया में नहीं था. We had a few countries abroad जो foreign से भी countries थे, जैसे हमारे साथ मिसेस USA हैं, तो उन्होंने भी वही किया. And सर ने jury सब जगह बिठाई थी on the 4th of June, and everywhere we had this wondrous selection process. शुक्रिया जी.
अलीशिया, आजकल शादीशुदा औरतों के लिए एक नया प्लेटफॉर्म मिल रहा है. इस नए प्लेटफॉर्म के बारे में आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
जैसे हमने कहा था कि शादी होने के बाद हम अपने ड्रीम्स को भूल जाते हैं, क्योंकि हमारा ऐसा कल्चर है कि हम अपने आप को थोड़ा सा पीछे डाल देते हैं और हमारे फैमिली मेम्बर्स को आगे रख देते हैं. पर अभी थैंक्स टू सोशल नेटवर्किंग एंड थैंक्स टू सो मेनी अपॉर्चुनिटी, दे आर रियलाइजिंग कि हम दोनों कर सकते हैं. वी कैन मल्टीटास्क, वी आर वेरी गुड इन मल्टीटास्किंग. वी कैन ऑल्सो फुलफिल आवर ड्रीम्स व्हाइल वी आर लुकिंग आफ्टर आवर फैमिली. सो उसके लिए हमें प्लेटफॉर्म चाहिए, और जब प्लेटफॉर्म के ऑप्शंस आ रहे हैं, व्हाई नॉट.
Thank you. Himanshu ji, we did also love to thank you by the time कोई अपने questions सोचें. Thank you so much. Any more questions, people?
Hello. What is your criteria to choose a candidate? What is your criteria to choose a candidate?
See?
Our criteria is basically ये देखना है हमने कि एक औरत उसकी सिर्फ ब्यूटी नहीं है, इनर ब्यूटी है, और वो आगे इस टाइटल को लेके आगे सोसाइटी और कम्युनिटी में क्या अपना योगदान दे सकती हैं. यस, एंड हम चाहते हैं कि जो भी विनर हो वो एक ऐसी रोल मॉडल हो कि हिंदुस्तान की, भारत का जो हमारा झंडा है वो देशों देशों में लहराए. हम वैसे ही जैसे कहते हैं भारत शक्ति नारी है, वी आर वेरी पावरफुल, और हम सब कुछ जैसे अलीशा ने कहा कि हम मल्टीटास्किंग कर सकते हैं. तो हम सिर्फ इनर ब्यूटी नहीं है, ओवरऑल पूरा अंदर बाहर क्या है क्या नहीं है वो सब हम मद्देनजर रख के विनर चुने. एंड इट्स गोइंग टू बी इट इज एन इक्वल अपॉर्चुनिटी प्लेटफॉर्म. यहाँ हमने ये नहीं देखा है कि कोई छोटा है बड़ा है ये है कुछ नहीं, कोई भी religion. So that's why it is an equal opportunity platform from the kitchen to the ramp, and we want to give them the best. That is why this is the team here, so that ये एक उनका जिंदगी का, हर औरत चाहती है कि वो रैंप चले, हर किसी का सपना होता है, और हम चाहते हैं कि ये उनका सपना पूरा करें ताकि वो ताउम्र याद रखे कि भारत आइकॉन में हमने भी लिया था, अपने बच्चों को भी कह सके. So we want to go all the way with that.
क्वेश्चन अखिल जी से. अखिल जी, आपने देखा होगा कि जिस तरह के ये इवेंट्स होते हैं उसमें जूरी पे बहुत ध्यान दिया जाता है, जो जजेस होते हैं. तो यहाँ आपने खुलासा नहीं किया अभी तक कौन जजेस होंगे आपके?
We'll do within 2 to 3 days.
अच्छा, कोई हमारी ग्लैमरस लाइन में से भी कोई होगा?
Definitely. Sure.
बॉलीवुड का तड़का तो है.
ये तो ट्रेलर है, फिल्म अभी बाकी है, थोड़ा सा सेकंड ट्रेलर के लिए वक्त दीजिए.
जब किचन से रैंप है तो हमें तड़का तो देना ही है.
Definitely.
So we have the Bollywood तड़का.
Thank you.